Hello everyone, now welcome to the first episode of SBU, which stands for short but useful. In this series, I used to make really short video tutorials which is based on some life hacks, some tips and tricks regarding an application or project, or maybe any short but useful project. So starting with the first episode of this SBU, in this particular episode, I will let you know one trick that will help you to save your relationships and also to be on your meeting on time and every time. So this trick is called getting custom messaged voice call on our smartphone. Let's take example of myself. I used to forget dates like hell. And what if tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday and I forgot? That will be a very dangerous situation for me. So in this trick, what my phone will do, so I will be getting a phone call, an audio call on my phone, which will say that, hey, tomorrow is your girlfriend's birthday. Have you arranged the gifts? Have you planned anything or something like that? So I will be getting a voice call. Till now we are getting notifications. Till now we are reminded by Facebook with also notification, but notification is kind of thing which we used to forget or which we used to ignore. But phone calls are rarely ignored by any person. So in this trick, we will be getting a phone call with our assistant talking on the other side. So let's see how to use this particular trick. So let's get started. So for using this trick, you need to have this IFTTT application on your smartphone. I won't be going into detail regarding IFTTT. Rather, I will attach one link in the description in which I have gone into very much detail regarding what is IFTTT. So make sure you have an app installed on your phone and you have made an account in this particular IFTTT. Now here we click on this plus button. Now click on this. Now here you need to search for service called date and time. So I will just type date. And here is the date and time. Okay, so here I need to select the date and time on which I should get a call. That may be any minute in particular hour, any any hour in particular day, okay, any day in particular week. So there are many options available. So you have to select according to your purpose. So let's take an example. I need a phone call a day before my best friend's birthday. Okay, so here I will select every year on, as birthdays and anniversaries comes on yearly basis. Okay, so here now I need to select the date and time. So for testing purpose, I will select today's date and time, maybe 10:15 a.m. Okay, so right now it is 10:07 a.m. So I will be selecting as 10:15 a.m. of 6th February. I need one phone call. So I'll click on this done and create trigger. Now here I will click on that and search for one service called VoIP. Okay, so for using this trick, your phone should support this VoIP feature. Nowadays every 4G phone have this VoIP feature enabled, so no need to worry if you have latest handset. But yeah, if you are using some old handset, then this feature may not work. Okay, so click on call my device. Now here I need to write one random or one personalized message that I need to hear when I get a call. Okay, so what I will write here as, so this is a custom message, so you can write any message according to your need, and in the end I will click on this create action button. And the last step for this trick is finish. So yeah, we are done with this particular trick. Now we need to wait for 10:15 a.m. and on 10:15 a.m. I will be getting a voice call on this particular device. So I will skip this video to 10:14 a.m. and let's see what happens. So I got the call which says IFTTT VoIP call audio. I think it is visible on the camera as a screen recording turned off right now. So I will pick up the call and let's see what is there in this call.
This is a reminder call from IFTTT. Another year. Currently, it is February 6, 2019 at 10:15 a.m. Remember that tomorrow is your best friend's birthday. Make him feel special.
So yeah, this is what I call a true personal assistant, which can give us a reminder regarding some important dates, that may be a birthday, that may be anniversary, or that may be meetings. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the first episode of SBU. And was that trick helpful to you? Do let me know in the comment section regarding this particular trick. So subscribe my channel if you haven't, to learn more regarding this short but useful videos. Also about the explained videos on different technology and different components, and some unboxing videos regarding latest projects or products. And in the end, regarding the IoT, automation and electronic related project tutorials. So wait for my next video. Until then, explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.